We're here to delve into the exceptional properties of 4142 alloy steel, a steel alloy that delivers outstanding performance in demanding applications. 4142 steel, also known as alloy 4142, is a versatile and robust material renowned for its impressive strength and durability. It belongs to the family of low alloy steels, which are specially engineered to exhibit exceptional mechanical properties. What sets 4142 steel apart is its composition. It contains chromium and molybdenum, which contribute to its superior toughness, wear resistance, and ability to withstand high-stress conditions. Due to its remarkable properties, 4142 steel finds extensive use across various industries. It's a preferred choice for manufacturing heavy machinery, automotive components, and industrial tools that require exceptional strength and reliability. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we specialize in providing top-quality 4142 steel products to meet the stringent needs of our customers. Our commitment to excellence and precision ensures that every 42 steel round bar we supply meets the highest industry standards. Equipped with advanced centerless grinding capabilities and a dedicated team of experts, we take pride in delivering 4142 steel products that exceed expectations. From custom-sized round bars to specific dimensional requirements, we have the expertise and resources to fulfill your unique project needs. When it comes to 4142 steel, trust the expertise and reliability of O'Hare Precision Metals. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive range of 4142 steel products and how we can assist you in your next project.